On June the 2nd, 2024, officers were present when a woman assaulted an employee at a grocery store.
With the cops there? Oh! Oh! Why would she do that? Don't walk away now, because your ass going to jail. Oh, what do we have here? Abusive woman punches public employee in front of police. Thank you guys for tuning in. Without further ado, let's get it.
Stop manhandling.
Stop. Sit down.
You're gonna get a
Stop.
Listen, you're gonna get another charge.
Manhandling.
Relax.
On June the 2nd, 2024, officers were present when a woman assaulted an employee at a grocery store.
With the cops there? Oh! Oh! Why would she do that? Okay.
Stop.
Oh.
Don't do it.
Stop.
Do it.
Stop. 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 Relax.
Don't fight it, baby.
Relax.
Get off
You're
of
under
me.
arrest for battery. Stop.
Yes.
Stop. Relax.
Can you get off
Relax.
of me? I'm pissing my pants.
Awesome. She's not going anywhere.
Get
Relax.
off. I can do it nicely. Get off of me.
You're not doing it nicely, though. You're fighting it.
Stop. You're gonna get yourself in trouble. Stop.
Facts.
Do that, dude.
All right. Move in.
Why you look like an extra off of Bad Boys?
You didn't even use your words.
Stop kicking me, or you're gonna get another charge. Stop.
Calm down, Melissa. Stop.
How is he supposed to use his words when all you've done is resist since they've gotten you from the car when you was trying to escape? They've been using their words.
Calm down. Stop.
Gonna move your wrist.
Just calm down. All right.
There you go.
Let's hear what they have to say. I don't know what happened here.
Well, they didn't even want to say anything.
Just
It's not that serious. Relax.
Something happened. Relax. Yeah. Just relax a little bit. All right.
Yeah. I'm
Yeah.
not going anywhere, Pedro.
Are you her driver? Yeah.
Awesome.
Huh? Just calm down.
Hey.
He went like this. He said she'll throw it off.
What was all that about?
Sit down.
Thanks, punk.
Sit down.
Relax.
Stop manhandling me.
Stop. Sit down.
You're gonna get a
Stop.
Listen, you're gonna get another
Stop
charge.
manhandling me.
Relax. See if you
Well,
want the
then
medic.
get off of
See
me
if you
and
want
talk
the
to me
medic.
like
Sit
a
down.
person.
Sit down.
Here, I got her. Sit down. Relax. Relax.
You want the medics?
Yeah, I do.
Here, go talk to him. I got this.
Can I have my other headphones,
I will
please?
grab it. Okay.
Can you help me put it
Here,
away
here,
like
give me
I
this.
wanted to
Give me
do
your
in
phone.
the first place?
Give me your phone. Give me your phone. Just
Calm
give
down.
me your phone. Okay. Take a deep breath. Okay.
And the headphones should be
I got you. Take a deep breath. Relax. Are you having a bad day?
having a bad life.
Listen to me. It's okay. You can have bad days, right? But you can't go around punching people in the face.
I'm sick of the comments, man. I get it all day long because I'm a pretty girl and I'm sick of it.
I mean, it's a blessing. I get it, though. I get it. I get it. Take a deep breath, okay? Relax, okay?
You can definitely see the officer soft side come out. Seems like he's a dad. He knows how to talk to women. Maybe he has a daughter, wife. You know what I'm saying? He knows how to calm her down, and she's about to start crying. But he's right. You can't go around just punching people in the face all willy-nilly.
Okay. We're gonna figure this out, okay? I don't like treating people like that, okay? That's why I was trying to get you to calm down. Where are you staying? Do you have ID on you?
Yeah.
Is it inside? Can I go in there and grab it, please? So listen. We can't be doing stuff like that, okay? It's a little bit different in South Florida. I understand the comments and stuff like that, but you know what they say, beauty is pain. Right?
You see how he was able to de-escalate the situation? I have a feeling though she is finna spaz one more time.
Don't even.
Everybody knows what the f that means. Talk to me like I'm stupid.
Yeah, but listen.
I'm sick of that shit, man.
I know, but listen.
You try and cover that shit up as if it's something else.
Listen, don't even play with me. You got a phone? You have a phone?
Tommy, talk to me. What happened?
No, it was just a very... Okay, so I was getting ready to empty the garbage.
Did you get that from her?
Yeah.
So what happened?
He walks by with all this, and I was exerting some what I thought dry humor. So the cart passed by, and I go, she's very thirsty. I said it to him, and she goes like this, and then she comes up to me, and I don't remember if she said anything, but I thought do you want to mess with me or something of that nature, and I thought she was joking, like she was going to pretend to hit me. You know, you want to mess with me, you know, kind of like that. So I just stood there, and then she actually made contact and punched me.
Punched the shit out you.
With what hand?
With, I believe, her right hand.
Once? And that's how you're bleeding?
Yeah.
All right. Do you want to press charges on her? Do you want to get her arrested?
Well, you know, I'll probably be okay, but I'm thinking she can't keep doing this.
I get that. Can I at least get your ID, Tommy?
Huh?
Can I at least get your ID?
All because he said that? Come on now. I think there was a little bit more of an exchange that happened than just that. But nonetheless, you can't go around punching people. Even if you get hit on all day, every day, as soon as you step outside, you can't punch people.
I mean, and I don't need this. I got enough going on. And I was actually just trying to be friendly. And not even really to her, just to anybody who was going out. I mean, you might want to ask her what I said. Maybe she thought I said something else. I just go, wow, she's really thirsty.
So you
You know,
said,
it's kind of like, wow, she's really thirsty. But
so you said, wow, she's really thirsty, and she said, what, are you trying to mess with me? And then that's when she punched you in the face?
something to the effect of that, yeah.
You gotta leave people alone, bro. You don't know what people going through, though.
And you said you don't need the medics?
I don't think so.
How do you guys feel about this? Do you feel like he brought this on himself, or do you feel like she was wrong for punching him in the face when he was just trying to make friendly conversation? Possibly hit on her. I think if he wouldn't have said nothing to her, this wouldn't have happened. Everybody's not always in the mood to play. Some people just want to go get their groceries and going on about their day. And this is just an example of that. It's just he was joking with somebody that ain't no telling what she been going through, but she was tired of it. She said that I'm tired of this shit. And that was the straw that broke the camel's back.
Not like my tooth are...
Gotcha. Do you want to press charges on her or not? Do you want her to go to jail for what she's done or not?
Well, what happens if we just let her go? We just let her go?
Okay. Well, that's why I got to ask these questions, Tommy. It's not up to me.
What is he gonna do?
This lady punched him in the face one time.
Here's exactly what happened. I was getting ready to empty the garbage, and of course you can review the CCTV or whatever. I mean, I was getting ready to empty the garbage, and he, Jafar, who's a witness, I don't know where he is, he was coming through with the water, and I was going to say whatever I was going to say, regardless of who it was. It was like, I thought it was like dry humor. I just go, wow, she's really thirsty, or must be really thirsty, you know, because the whole cart is water. And then she goes like this.
He looking at him like, why would fuck would you say that?
She goes, you want to mess with me? Bam! And I just stood there because I actually thought she was kidding. You know, you want to mess with me? Wink, wink, wink or something. I had no idea that she was actually going to make contact. And they keep asking if I want to arrest her, but I feel like...
So this is her?
Yeah. But it's like,
you're her driver, right?
It wasn't derogatory.
She got a driver's? Oh, she got money.
What? You're gonna arrest her, or still trying to decide?
I'm still trying to decide.
Okay, yeah. Maybe you need to
Man.
find out what happened.
Do y'all think he should press charges? I don't think so. I don't really like getting police involved with people and getting them in trouble with the law. That's not really my thing. But how would you guys react to this? Me, I wouldn't press charges, because if I wouldn't have said nothing to make a joke and or whatever, she wouldn't have punched me in the face. But let me know what you guys' thoughts are in the comments. Right.
No, I'm watching.
We know what happened.
I mean, I see it.
We know what happened.
She's obviously going to keep doing it.
Tommy, we need a decision right now.
Yeah, decide what you're gonna do. What is there to decide?
All right, I'm going to arrest her.
up to you. I don't really think
I'm going to have her arrested.
Yeah.
We'll go to court.
Come on.
She needs to go through the process. You know, I got arrested once. I got DUI in 2010. And I needed to hear it.
Changed to 31.
Damn. Thomas say he a savage.
Yeah, 419H.
All right. Put her in the car.
Are you gonna take care of my water?
No, that's not going with you because you're going to jail. That's what happens when you punch people in the face in front of the police. And then you fight with us as we're arresting you.
She did it in front of the police? Oh, you bold.
So I'm kissing her, please.
She must be like a model or something.
I'll be fine, man.
I'm gonna take this off, okay?
Hey, she got that look in her eyes, my boy. I suggest you never say nothing to her ever again. If she go back in there, just...
You're gonna have to do it through. It's over top. It's not a clip.
Okay. So okay, I have to take it off like this?
You might have to undo one of them.
No. Bro, handcuffs are not coming off. My wrist hurts because I was fighting with you, bro. Are you serious?
You didn't even use your words.
I don't have to use my words. Once we say you're going to jail, that's it. That's how it works.
You clearly don't know how to follow steps of procedure. You come in for like that. I have a story. It's like good for you.
I ain't gonna lie, all that low talking she doing kind of creeping me out. And she got that look in her eyes. If you know what I'm talking about, you know.
So proud of you.
I mean, I be talking to myself, but this right here is just creepy.
Oh, did I run? No, I didn't. Look at that.
Tommy.
Oh, Tommy, that's a bit running too.
Oh,
the woman
man.
was charged with battery and resisting arrest. Do you think she overreacted to the employee's comments?
Yes.
Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for viewing, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. What did you guys think about this video? Who was right? Who was wrong? Let me know in the comments below. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. And also, don't forget to like, share, and comment as well. Your contributions are greatly appreciated. I love all of you guys. See you for the next video. And that's it, baby. Away. Out.